No cheating! Add your first photo from your favorite album, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen. And here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a video tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story for the video. So now you can go to your upload and choose the first photo from your favorite album. I will go with this one. And now you can place your sticker where you want, and you can do the same thing with your photo. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram page you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, which is a YouTube video tutorial. It has only 2 to 3 minutes I think, and it's super easy to follow. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.